Hello everyone, this is Jacob Ames, Applications Engineer with Hawk Ridge Systems, and today we're going to have a look at a clever strategy for creating a cut of uniform depth with a projected sketch on a surface that's not supported by the wrap command. Now I've started out with a hemispherical model here, as well as a single closed sketch contour you can see highlighted in blue there. Now if you're familiar with the wrap command, you might think that this would be a nice scenario for it, but unfortunately if we start up that command and try to wrap this around our hemisphere, we get an error telling us that this type of surface isn't currently supported. Now to get the same kind of result, we could try to use an extruded cut, maybe set an offset as our start condition here. We'll go ahead and set that to 400, and then use an offset from surface end condition in order to get that kind of cut. But what you're going to find here once we complete this is that we don't quite get the results that we're looking for. We have greater thickness up here at the top. We have a thinner cut here near the bottom, and it's not quite what we're looking for. So how can we work around this? Well, traditionally this might be accomplished by sketching just the cross section of the cut you wanted to make. We then have to define a path and perform a swept cut, but you can see based on the geometry of this particular sketch that that's not going to work in our scenario. Well, the key for us is going to lie in the Thickened Cut command. Now this is a surfacing tool and we can't quite use it yet, so we need to take a few steps in order to be able to utilize it. We're going to start by using the split line tool with our sketch in order to project this sketch onto the hemisphere like so. That's pretty straightforward. And with this completed, we now have a face here that we can select independently of the rest of our model. From here we can go ahead and offset this surface. We're going to make sure that this is set to 0 and essentially copy this surface in place. And once we have this finished, we can leverage this surface that we've just created to create a thickened cut. And when we do this, it's going to create a cut of uniform depth across this hemisphere. Now with the hemisphere in particular, you could achieve the same results by playing around with some of those start and end conditions of the extruded cut, but this particular strategy is going to be valid for a lot of complex types of surfaces. This method can be used for all different types of surfaces and sketches. We can include text as well, and this is going to work for adding geometry as well with the standard thicken command. So in today's video, we learned a novel technique for creating cuts of uniform depth on surfaces that are not supported by the wrap command. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like, subscribe, or visit us at hawkridgesys.com. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.